Hello my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video, I will show you how to install pip on Windows 11. This video also shows you how to fix a very common error that annoys Python programmers a lot, especially the beginners. And that error is pip is not recognized as an internal or external command. We'll understand why this happens, and I'll show you how to properly install pip on Windows 11 even if it's missing in your Python setup. So this error simply means Windows doesn't know where pip is installed, or maybe pip wasn't installed at all. Normally pip comes automatically with Python 3.4 and above. So if you have installed a recent version of Python, pip should already be there, provided you check the option add Python to path during installation. So let me tell you how to manually install pip on Windows 11 if you run into this error. First, you need to open Google Chrome or any browser of your choice. In the URL bar, you are going to simply type pip and hit enter. Now, you need to click on this first link that appears in the search results from the website py.org that says pip. Need to click on it, and on this website that opens, you need to click on installation. On the installation page, we will look for a file get-pip.py. So we'll keep scrolling until we find a section named get-pip.py, within which we'll get this link from where we can download this file. So we are going to copy this link. We will now come back to the command prompt. And over here, we are going to write the curl command, and then we are going to paste this link. And after pasting the link, we are going to write -o space get-pip.py. This will download the file get-pip.py from the website py.org. Let's hit enter, and there you go. The download began and ended in a flash. Assuming that the file is downloaded, you are going to open a new terminal and you will go to the same location where you have downloaded get-pip.py. Now in the new command prompt, you are going to write the command python space get-pip.py, and you are going to hit enter to install pip. There you go, the installation has begun and it has completed as well. One thing you need to keep in mind, before installing pip, you must have Python installed. And how to check if Python is installed on your Windows 11 laptop or machine? You need to type the command python space -- version and hit enter, and it must display the version of Python installed on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So we have successfully installed pip on Windows 11, and now if we ran this command pip -- version, then this error is not going to appear. Let's do that. Pip space -- version. Let's hit enter, and there you go. It gives the version of pip, which is pip 25.2, and this proves that we have successfully installed pip on Windows 11. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install pip on Windows 11 from this video of Joey's Tech. I'm sure you have got the solution to fix the common error pip is not recognized as an internal or external command. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.